Good morning everyone. Ngasidi koi lesson series the Manipuri to English for daily life. English for daily life hai topic sida ai mayam da role tamjake. Ahambada greeting and self introduction han tawsi. Manipuri da kamdauri bage hai English ta. How is your day? I am doing good, or I am doing well, I am doing excellent. Adudi adom di kamdo viri bagi. How about you? Digi uji simple conversation nama. Adi koi tawrasi ko adudi English na tamu. Adom na. Hello, how is your day? Doing friend na. I am doing good. How is about you? How about you? Adom na mukumbire. I'm fine too. I'm excellent. I'm doing great. Thank you. Adigi mo koi na talking about food. Koi sana thanga bugi maram da wari watai sana ba Manipuri da adom sak lambra. Are you hungry? Adom sak lambra. Are you hungry? Mana mukome marutuna friend na lamme and I am hungry. Hai re adom na di sana bak tang pambra. Do you want some food? Do you want some food? Sana thanga bo sana ba kada pambra. Hai re uji simple conversation cham koi wari watai sana bagi mo ga mo hai ta di adom na you. Are you hungry? The friend na, yes, I am hungry. Adi adom na you. Do you want some food? The friend na kuma, yes, please. Yan tawbiro ay lame sine hires. Adi Manipuri to English asking for direction da mo hires si. Khwaidagi nakpa kaithin si kadawai da laibage. Where is the nearest market? Kaya amada kulamada to from the stalaga koi na hangi. Paidagi nakpa kaithin si kadai da laibage. And where is the nearest market? Adagi ngasai local men duna kadai da layam duna hangi. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Chumna dum mangum da dum satpiro aduga layramani sine. Adagi kayam mukla page. And how far is it? How far is it? And hangi. Uji simple conversation wari watai sabagi mo nga mamlu tawrasi. You adom na. Where is the nearest market? Local men no comment. Go straight ahead. It's near. You adom na. How far is it? Really local men do na just 5-minute walk. Dem taga na haijage. Where is the nearest market? You are asking. The local men reply. Go ahead, go straight ahead. It's near. You adom na. How far is it? Local man, just 5-minute walk. This is a simple conversation from Manipuri to English, English to Manipuri. Digi mathang the shopping conversation. Koi pochai laibudar wari watai sana bagi. Kathel amada chale dukal amada da pot ama laibagi. Masibu mamal kayano. How much is this? Ay masi laiba pame. I want to buy this. Ado ay discount gumba phangadra. Can I have a discount? Simple conversation da muktarasi. Wari watai sana bagi mong da English nga ta. You adom na. You. How much is this? Shopkeeper. 200 rupees. You adom na. Can I have a discount? Shopkeeper to na yes, 180 rupees. Masini ko na English ta wari watai sabagi adi conversation spoken adi fluency adi confidence ko na English grammar I city long language amagi maroy na English ki di backbone ni aduga speaking sina koigi spoken to pa speaking sina masi hard ni haina ribini aduna aigi series te mayam pura mangna don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. to learn English by speaking. Bye.